hair, makeup, nails, bitch, yes, I slay. I be giving face, eyebrows on swim.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a new supporter, welcome. You already know what to do if you here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a subscriber, and if you are already a subscriber, hit that bell to get post notifications and you can see when I post a video. Tap that thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below. Today, as you can tell by the title, I will be DIYing my turmeric and Greek yogurt face mask. This mask is said to help dry skin, dark circles, and hyperpigmentation, and it does so much more. So stick around so you can see the results. First things first, before you get started with this mask, make sure you have your hair pulled back so the turmeric and yogurt don't get in your hair. And also that you have a t-shirt or something that you don't really care about staining. To complete this DIY face mask, first you will need plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt helps your skin to tighten pores, calms inflammation caused by acne, eczema, and rosacea, and it also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Next, I will be using olive oil. I'm adding olive oil to my face mask because I suffer from dry skin and eczema. If you have oily skin already, do not add olive oil to your mask. The turmeric can be very drying, and I'm adding olive oil so my face keeps the moisture and doesn't become very dry and irritated. But if you have oily skin, you don't have to worry about this. Just don't use olive oil on your face. For oily skin, olive oil can clog your pores and cause more breakouts. Finally, the last ingredient we're going to be adding to our DIY face mask is turmeric. Turmeric can be very beneficial to the skin by reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation and redness caused by acne breakouts, soothing dry skin, and also it fights off acne. Now that we have all the ingredients that we need, all you need is a bowl and a spoon to mix in all your ingredients for your face mask. Okay guys, now on to mixing the ingredients together. I actually mixed too much, but I am going to tell you guys what you actually need and the amount that you actually need to make one face mask. To make one turmeric and Greek yogurt face mask, you'll actually need 1 spoonful of Greek yogurt, and you can see that I put 1 cup, but you only need 1 spoonful. You only need 2 teaspoons of turmeric to make one face mask, but as you can see, I ended up putting 4 teaspoons in my face mask because I already had added 1 cup of yogurt, so I had to make everything even out. And for the olive oil, you only need 1 teaspoon or 1 drop of olive oil. You really don't need that much olive oil. And once you are done adding all the ingredients to the bowl, it is time to mix well. Now that it is time to apply this face mask to my face, my niece Janaya is joining me from the AJ Squad Kids. Make sure y'all go subscribe to their channel in the description box down below. And I'm going to be using a foundation brush to apply this face mask because it goes on much smoother and more even when you use a foundation brush. First thing I noticed when applying this face mask is it felt very soothing to my skin. It didn't irritate my skin at all, but you do have to get used to the smell. I don't think it's a very pleasant smell because of the Greek yogurt. Most natural face masks have a unique smell anyways, so that wasn't a big problem. Make sure when you're applying this mask, you put on a very thin, even layer to your skin. I know you're probably using this face mask to get rid of the dark circles around your eyes, but make sure you don't get too close to your eyes because I don't know what could happen. And I know that you're not supposed to get too close to your eyes when you're doing any face mask. It started to dry very quickly after like 5 minutes. As you can see, my forehead area is starting to dry already. Now after 7 or 6 minutes, you can see my chin area is starting to dry. And now after 10 whole minutes, one of my cheeks are drying. Now we just waiting on my nose and my other cheek to dry. And I think if you leave this on for 20 minutes or so, that would be enough time to get all the benefits that this mask has to offer into your skin. After 20 minutes, the mask has dried on my face and it's actually cracking. So yeah, now it's time to wash it off. When rinsing this face mask off, make sure you use cold water, and it always works for me to keep the moisture in my skin since I have dry skin. To wash this face mask off along with the cold water, I'm using a regular face rag to exfoliate my face along with the turmeric. When the turmeric dries up, it is also an exfoliant to your face, and that gets rid of dead skin cells, and it also can make your skin feel much softer. After using this face mask, I see a difference in my skin. I see that it did get a little bit brighter and glowier than I was at first. And also, when I felt my face, it felt way softer than it did before I used the mask. But you're not going to see any dramatic results when you only use it one time. I'm going to use this mask this whole week for 5 days, and then I'm going to see how everything turns out. But this is my first time using this mask, and that's what I'm recording. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell for post notifications to be notified when I post more videos.
Yikes.